To fix Messenger select an account problem. Welcome back to a new tutorial video of TechTube everyone. If you're also having this exact issue, whenever you try to open up your Messenger app, it says you'll need to select an account. Even though you select an account, it does not open up the exact account that you're trying to use. Now this is not a serious issue and mainly happens due to a bug. So the way that you can solve this problem, update your app of Messenger. Search for Messenger in the Play Store or the App Store and then tap on update if there are any new updates available. Updating applications helps to clear out any bugs which may be the cause of the issue. Once you update your Messenger app, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do in this case is you can clear the data of your Messenger, or if you're using an iOS, you can offload your Messenger app. Tap and hold the Messenger app if you're using an Android and tap on App Info. From here, tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear All Data. This is gonna log you out of your Messenger account, so you'll again need to type in your details and then log into it. Once you do this step, your problem of select an account will be fixed, but however, if it's still not fixed, the last thing that you can do is uninstall Messenger from your phone. Once the app has been uninstalled, you can again download it and install it again. And by doing these steps, your problem of select an account problem on Messenger will surely be fixed. So those are the couple of things that you can try out. I hope this video was helpful to you and I hope that your problem was fixed. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.